Oh, Dick.
And where is Nida?
Good morning. And there she is behind. Look, she's stretching too.
Everyone is stretching.
Good morning, friends. We woke up earlier and walked around at night. Zinka, the pig who gave birth in the forest last year and is well known, either gave birth or didn't. There she is. Zinka gave birth. So we haven't gone into the barn yet. We want to go in there with you, to get genuine emotions. And we still don't know how many piglets there are. Well, I think there are 10. That's all. And you, Valentina, how many do you think there are? Primal silence. So indistinct.
Dick keeps yawning.
How much is there? How much? How much? How much? Come out, everyone.
What do we have there, turkeys?
If someone watched our video for the first time, they'd think, 4 piglets, so healthy, just born.
We need to get a turkey from Zina. Zinochka!
Easy, Valka. Valya. Careful she doesn't trample them.
Oh, just recently. You see,
Oh, one is under her. Careful. Easy, easy. Wait. Easy, Valya. I think one is under her. You can't go in so suddenly. Come out, turkey. Go on.
12 of them, I think.
You see 12? One, I think, got under her. That's what I saw. See, it's squeaking over there.
Quiet.
Yes, take it out.
But how can I take it out without getting bitten? Wait, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, under it. There's one under it.
The 13th one is under it. How do I get it out from there?
Quiet. Won't she suffocate him?
I don't know. Then we'd better not go in.
There, little one. See how he is in there.
He's so small, just like this. The 13th one.
We've never had such little ones before.
Look, this is, and this is, the 13th is just so like that.
Doesn't anyone want a pet?
Instinct. Valentina ran out still in her nightgown. And Valya, how many nipples does she have?
I don't know. We need to count.
And what if she has 12 nipples? But there are 13.
Oh, we'll have to feed them. Keep feeding them.
But how are you going to feed that runt piglet? Look at him. He's smaller than... He's like a little rat.
Tiny.
It's a mini pig. Go change your clothes. Your nightgown is already dirty.
Yes.
Well, friends, it's everything at once. Both joy and worry. Of course, there's a lot of joy, but the worry comes from the fact that the pig has already become so huge, clumsy. The first time she gave birth to 6, she easily made herself a nest. The second time it was 9, and now it's already 13. Anything can happen now because she's clumsy and might lie down, and with 13 teats, there might not be enough for all the piglets. A piglet, or maybe even 2, might not get any milk. That could also cause them to die. That's why I'm so worried. When the pig is young, there aren't any losses, though she gives birth to fewer piglets. But now there are a lot. But she's so big, and they're just so small.
She lies down, he squeals.
She lies down, he squeals, but she remains still. I don't know. Should I make a fence or not? They won't even try to run away there, that's the main thing, just to get through the first 2 days. Because for us, when we had young piglets, we didn't have any losses. But then, with the squealer, how many? At first, she gave birth to 12, and the 12th died the very first night. Yes, she just crushed him, and that's it. Well, so how many and which ones?
8 boys, 5 girls.
Haven't crushed anyone yet? Oh, how scary. They're like little rats lying next to such a huge elephant.
Well, this one here...
I don't even know. Maybe he won't survive. He's so tiny.
Lie down, my Zinka.
I'm even scared to check their fangs. Maybe tomorrow they'll have fangs already.
It has to be today, while she's still so weak, while she's still like this. Well, what?
Zinka.
Zinka.
The store has bred rats.
Also,
So one is a little white one, the other is black.
Yes!
Count them, all 13. I keep worrying that I might step on one.
Yes, all of them. But you still have to keep putting them up to the nipple.
Because they won't even let him get close at all. He's so tiny, he can't push his way in.
Yet?
that's why you must push them away like this.
Each of them has their own nipple, so maybe he can't get to his, they won't let him. His nipple might be at the bottom and he can't get to it.
Well, yeah. Our Bulka is very weak. We gave her a piece of meat, but she doesn't want to eat at all. Go away. Here, Bulka. Drink some kefir, Bulka.
Drink some water, drink, let's go drink.
Drink, Bulka. She's really weak. We just called the vet. Dick, no. This isn't for you, it's for Bulka. And today they aren't working with the intravenous only on Monday. Here you go. Come on, drink. What's going on? Your eyes are all watery. My poor thing. You're crying, huh? They've already given you 12 injections today, so why aren't you getting better, huh? Here, try it, here. So, Valentina is frying liver today. She soaked it in milk, then in flour, fried it, and it turns out to be such a tasty treat. You can't even wait for the side dish.
It's tasty when it's soaked, right?
At the same time as the liver, we're baking bread here in the bread maker. Bulka doesn't understand why she's getting so much attention. She's never had this much before. On kefir, on water, on a little cutlet, on a little liver. Right, Bulka? Well, eat. Get better. Okay, Bulka? Oh, that's it. The bread is ready.
Uh-huh.
You can't heat up this stove now, but we'll likely never use it again anyway.
Everyone indistinct.
He eats the liver, but he doesn't eat the chicken cutlet. You, Bulka, are so spoiled. Valentina also makes those chopped cutlets, and for some reason, only Vanka eats them. But Bulka and I eat liver. Bulka, eat the cutlet. Come on, eat it, Bulka. Yura has arrived. He immediately parks the car farther away so that... Yura, you can drive over there. There's some shade behind the house. I'll park the Passat there now. Go over there. They won't reach you. And there's shade there.
How do they understand strangers, right?
Strangers, conversely, welcome you at the farm without hesitation. Ave Caesar. Hello?
Hello.
And where are the pills? Pills are the most important thing. The pills.
You asked for either pills or capsules.
Ah, that's right, capsules.
Were they in capsules or in tablets?
Carsil. Morning and evening, give Carsil. It's for the liver.
For the liver.
It's for the liver. They brought it on the cornice. Super. All right, let's go. Bulka here, little Carsil. My good girl. We'll treat you morning and evening with a little Carsil. Poisons have a powerful impact on the liver, which processes everything, so it's crucial to support this vital organ. There you go, that's it. Come on, you eat.
She got an injection, now we'll use pills, right?
Yes. Actually, the longer it lasts, the better. That's it. All right. Good job.
That's awesome. Oh, like this and like that.
They're having a great time. Everyone's walking on water.
That's nice, isn't it?
Oh, what a thrill.
Oh, what a thrill. The eye is already healing. The ointment is helping it, right?
He left with a swollen eye.
Oops.
Huh.
Guys, there's barely any room left for you here, so how are you even looking at me? Are you admiring me, huh? Or are you scared? Or maybe I'm the one admiring you. We sold another squealing piglet because it was really skinny. That's all. There are 3 left. On Tuesday, most likely, we'll sell one more. This little one likely won't sell. We'll have to keep it or give it to our parents for meat. That's the fate of the small ones. Here. That's it, Vanya. The 3 of us are going for duckweed. Stealing water again.
Indistinct. Just keep filming.
Why
aren't you taking Anita with you? Maybe she'd be interested too.
Oh, to sweat and roast in the sun. No.
Maybe the girl is interested in what you're doing.
Okay, let's get this off the road. Here, Yura is driving already. See how Yura can drive a Passat?
Does he have a steering wheel or not?
What are you talking about?
Well, so he could turn and go around me.
In spring, we didn't know where to find this duckweed. Now there are 3 layers here.
The swallows await their mother in the nest.
How did they hear when the swallows flew up and started poking out their little beaks?
Here, the swallows flew in.
And they flew away.
The little ones are waiting. Oh.
How they heard it.
Indistinct fish. That's in the evening. In the evening, we'll pour it out. Oh, how many of them are here now? I'm explaining the fishing rules. It's 8:00 post-meridium now, and we fish until exactly 9:00 post-meridium, a total of 1 hour. Now I have 3 matches. Our spots are divided. Here's one spot. This is the longest match, the longest one, and this is the shortest one. That will be where the blue bucket is, and indistinct blue. Who's drawing first?
Me!
A, don't say what you got, then Yura will draw. Come on, you go first, draw.
Take it and don't show it.
Show yours. Okay, mine is long. I'm sitting there, right?
Yes.
You're short, sitting there with Vanya.
On the blue one.
It's time to get bait. I'm giving out maggots. Vanya, here are yours. I'll take a small maggot and some worms for myself. I'm taking a handful and heading off.
And we'll take some for ourselves.
And take some using the bucket with this.
Yes, scoop some for yourselves over there.
All right, let's spread out. So, one little white one and one little red one. Now, there we go. All right, nobody has managed to cast yet. I'm the very first. There, a bit farther. That's it. Now we wait for a bite. We're waiting for a bite. Bulka came out to them independently. She's even gotten interested too. Who's going to catch the fish? She's beginning to move away.
Oh, I got a bite.
No, it's biting. Did I imagine it? Or it's biting.
It's biting. Got it.
Aha, I've got an amour. Yes, the first amour.
We haven't started yet.
Your problems. What were we arguing about again, the quantity or the size? I forgot.
Oh, so big.
Or was it about the weight? The weight. Because I caught such a good one. A tasty one, look.
Uh-huh.
Good one. They haven't caught any fish yet, but we're about to catch our second. However, they've fed their fish, so now the others will likely swim to them. We need to feed ours, too. I tore it out with the gills, and it floated up immediately. It was quite weak.
Uh-huh.
Chelka and Zina don't understand that the fish will only be theirs after the weighing. Chelka, after the weighing, Chelka. But what if someone steals it from my bucket? Yes, I hear you. Why is Bulka sitting next to me? Because you're the kindest? And the 2 cats are next to me because I'm a professional at fishing.
Mushka is sharpening her teeth.
This piglet loves being petted and is the only one who approaches everyone. Oh, that's a shame. A pure white carp. Let's release it. It's so white, really beautiful. Wow. Just don't tell me you swallowed it well, right? No, don't, good boy. Come on. Oh, you're so beautiful. Why are you pecking?
Just for the lip?
Yes, thank God. Just for the lip. What a beautiful one with a little spot. Go on, swim.
Well, look, it's swimming beautifully, beautifully.
Is it leading, right?
I even know why they aren't getting any bites, but I am.
Why?
Because over there, Dick is running around, Milana is running around, Anya is running around.
She found some kind of leaf.
With sand. Tasty.
And what do you have there?
Golden carp. Damn! They're really strong, huh? A strong fish. Listen, kid, indistinct. He swallowed it hard. Only the carps are hungry, not the aimers. Swim. My good one. They wore you out while we were getting the hook out. Phew. Today the aimers aren't biting at all. I caught a carp on a worm and another on a maggot, so what can you do? We're only catching carp. Let's give it another 10 minutes, and if we catch one more carp, that's it. Fishing is over. Bulka is clever. She sits with everyone and stays put.
So how's the water?
Warmer than the air. The only downside is that there's a swarm of gadflies flying above us. Yeah, as soon as we run out, we head straight home. We run.
Wait, but you're naked.
How do you know?
But you said, don't come near me?
Kind of naked, but we'll have time to put something on.
That's it. Belechka is already looking for frogs.
She already feels better.
Already, you could say. After lunch, she was outside almost until dark.
She went out and is already looking for frogs.
So it means she's already feeling better.
Everyone go to sleep! Okay, this spot is taken.
Pet him, he doesn't bite, really, he doesn't bite. Pet him, don't be afraid.
He unintelligible was hitting so hard today.
No, he doesn't bite, pet him.
Don't be afraid. See how he's nudging you with his nose. Pet him. Pet him.
Yes, don't chew on me. I'm not tasty.
What tiny kittens are they, or are they little rats? So, oh, Valentina, this is a fly trap.
Yes.
Yes. So you hung them up, let's say, at lunchtime. And by evening, they're already full, right?
But there are no flies. It used to be covered in flies.
But they probably came at the end. You see, they're already so small they can run away now. Yes, the main thing is that they make this night already.
Yes, this little one has gotten a bit stronger, the smallest one.
Well, oh, you see, she's lying down correctly. She won't suffocate anyone like that. Dick, I missed the milk. He keeps glancing at me. All right, boss. I won't give you the change right now. You'll get it later. See, he's already settled down. The goose, inaudible, got it. I see you're already walking around freely. You're really doing it now. Dick, they didn't call you. You're not sick.
Today, just eat some liver.
The liver is sick, so eat some liver. That's it. Bulka is getting better. Friends, in the last video, we announced a little contest. Who can guess how many piglets Zinka will give birth to? And mostly everyone said 10, 10, 10, 10, right? 13 people. Only a few people guessed 13 piglets. So we chose two winners, and they will receive prizes. Please send us your addresses. That's all. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
They don't bite on the fishing rod, but as soon as it's duckweed, they just eat it all together in a crowd.